Friends, black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes a student's life bright. Hello friends, how are you? This is Abhishek Gupta sir. I have been an English trainer for the last 15 years. I am speaking from Fluent Academy of English. Today we are studying about interrogative sentences and its kinds. Interrogative sentences means Prashnavachak Vakya. There are two kinds of interrogative sentences in English. First one inverted questions, second one WH questions. First one inverted questions. A question which starts or ends with helping verb like do, does, is, am, are, was, were, and so on. Structure helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object question mark. Example first. Do you speak English? Second. Will you go to school? Third. Are you coming to class? Do, will, and are helping verb. Friends, second kind is WH questions. Such questions which start with W or H words is called WH questions. Structure WH words plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object question mark. Example first. Example first. What do you like? Second. Where do you live? Third. How do you know this? Friends, here is the list of WH words. Please memorize all these words well so that you can make WH questions without any mistake. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. First one, what means kya ya jo. What is used to ask about things or actions? It is used to know about subject or object. Let's take the example first. What makes you think that means आपको वैसा क्यों लगता है. Second example, what do you fear the most? आप किस चीज़ से सबसे ज़्यादा डरते हैं. Who means कौन, किसने या जो. Who is used to ask questions about the subject. Who का प्रयोग व्यक्ति या कर्ता को जानने के लिए करते हैं. Let's take the example first. Who does this? Second, who doesn't do this? Third, who teaches you English? Friends, next WH words is किसे या जिसे या किससे. Whom is used to know about object. Whom का प्रयोग object या कर्म जानने के लिए करते हैं. Friends, let's take the example first. Whom do you love? Answer, I love my country. My country is used as an object here in this sentence. Friends, next WH words is which means कौन सा, कौन सी या कौन से या जो. Which, we use which to ask about one person or thing out of a number of people or things which can be the subject or object. Friends, कई लोगों या वस्तुओं में से एक का चयन करने के लिए which का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Let's take the example first. Which is your pen? Second, which language do you speak? Next WH words is why. Why means क्यों. Why is used to know about reason. कारण जानने के लिए why का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Example number first, why do they work hard? Answer, they work hard to earn money. Second, why did you buy this mobile? Answer, this mobile has better features. Friends, next WH word is when. When means कब या जब. When is used to know about time. समय जानने के लिए when का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Friends, let's take the example first. When did this happen? Answer, this happened yesterday. Second, when will you come again? Answer, I will come again tomorrow. Tomorrow and yesterday are the time. Next word whose. Whose means किसका, किसकी, किसके. It is used to know about possession. अधिकार जानने के लिए whose का प्रयोग करते हैं. Friends, let's take the example first. Whose dog is barking? Second, whose book are you reading? Friends, in the above examples, dog और book पर अधिकार जानने के लिए whose का प्रयोग किया जा रहा है. Friends, next WH word is how. How means कैसा, कैसी या कैसे. We use how to ask about the way in which something happens or is done. How का प्रयोग किसी विधि या तरीके को जानने के लिए करते हैं. Let's take the example first. How does she talk? Answer, she talks politely. Second, how does this machine run? Answer, this machine runs well. Friends, the next word is how many. How many means कितने. It is used for countable noun. अंकों को जानने के लिए how many का प्रयोग किया जाता है. First example, how many students come to the class regularly? Answer, 10 students come to the class regularly. Second example, how many pens do you have? Answer, I have 5 pens. Friends, next word is how old. How old means kitna purana. It is used to ask about the age of a person, things or place. Let's take the example first. How old is that building? It's 25 years old. Second, how old are you? I am 20 years old. Friends, next word is how long means kitni der. It is used to ask about duration of time. First example, how long have you lived in Jabalpur? Answer, I have lived in Jabalpur since my childhood. Second, how long do you read every day? Answer, I read an hour every day. Friends, next WH word है how far means कितने दूर. It is used to ask about distance. For example, first one, how far is it Delhi from Jabalpur? It's 768 km far away from Jabalpur. Second question, how far do you live from here? I live at a stone's throw from here. Friends, next WH word is how much means कितना. It is used for uncountable noun. क्वांटिटी या मात्रा को जानने के लिए how much का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Example first, how much do you earn? Second, how much time do you speak every day? Third, how much does this cost? Friends, next WH word is what time. What time means कितने बजे. निश्चित समय या सर्टन टाइम का पता लगाने के लिए इस WH वर्ड का यूज़ किया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, what time do you wake up? Second, what time does the class finish? Third one, what time is it? Friends, next WH word is how often. How often means कितने बार. It is used to know about frequency of events or actions. Friends, let's take the example first. How often does this incident occur in a year? Answer, this incident occurs once in a year. Example, how often does he study in a day? Answer, I study twice a day.